Hey there. I wanted to talk a little bit about time management, or as I like to call it, priority management. You see, we're all given the same amount of time, and you can't really manage it. All you can do is manage the actions or how you utilize the time, which should be based upon your priorities. Now, there are three things that you need to do in order to get the best use of your time. The first thing is to understand what are your priorities. As a business owner, your priority is to make sure that the business runs well and makes enough cash flow and enough profit to sustain itself and not fall into the hole of despair that too many small businesses actually fall into. Secondly, once you've got your priorities, what do I need to do this week? You've got to make a plan. When am I going to get them done? Now, you may need to figure out what you're going to do and what you're going to delegate, and then what you're just going to defer because it is not actually a priority. Not everything can be a priority. So we do something called time blocking. And this is the third piece of time management or priority management. Find out your priorities, make a plan for it, but time block it. Actually put in your calendar on the day and the hour when you are going to actually use your time to get your priorities done. If you institute this process into your life, you will get time back because you'll be doing the things that you need to do that actually elevate or leverage or make your business work better without you. And you'll be able to delegate the things that other people can be doing that aren't as valuable, quite frankly, for your use of time. So I hope these simple tips, they're very simple, but they're very important. And it's a process or a skill set that you've got to do every week and every day. Prioritize, plan, and then practice time blocking to get it done. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.